everyone, this is Denise with Creates with Love, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I want to share why I chose and love my Cricut Maker. I often get emails asking which Cricut machine to buy or why I chose a Cricut Maker. So today I hope to clarify all of this and more. Most importantly, I want to send a huge thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video today and also sending some products for me to use for a few of today's easy creations. So my first Cricut machine was the Cricut Explorer, which I still use and love to this day. Then Cricut came out with the Cricut Maker. I am still amazed by what this machine can do. First of all, it can precisely cut over 300 different materials, ranging from vellum and acetate to denim, cereal boxes, and even colored duct tape. It can also cut burlap fabrics and all kinds of felt. You know, it still amazes me how versatile the Maker is, that in just one project I can cut something as delicate as silk fabric or tissue paper and then cut out a piece of craft foam or leather. I'd like to show you the projects I've been working on for this video while I share more information about the Cricut Maker and its possibilities. Please stay tuned to the end of the video for the completed projects reveal. And let's just talk about the adaptive tool system that only the Cricut Maker has. Currently, the Cricut tools have the capability of cutting, drawing, scoring, embossing, engraving, plus cutting wavy lines and creating preparations in your projects. When I heard that Cricut was dedicated to expanding their suite of tools and to continually add value to this machine, I was sold on the Cricut Maker. I knew it was the machine I could grow with and not grow out of. Finally, I want to cover how easy it is to go from taking your Cricut Maker out of the box and downloading their free software called Design Space onto whatever device you plan on using, such as a laptop, desktop, or a smart device. I love the fact that I can go from designing on one device, such as my laptop computer, and cutting from another device, such as my iPad, or only using one device for the entire project. In fact, did you know you can even have multiple machines with different projects all cutting at the same time? Talk about a great cutting machine for a business. I also love that I can personalize homemade gifts, create home decor exactly how I want it. Honestly, I love my Cricut Maker so much because I can do so many different DIY or craft projects with it. For me, it's all about passion. I love to create with love, and the Cricut Maker helps me do just that. So I hope this helps clarify why I chose the Cricut Maker. And as always, remember to create with love.